The holidays can be joyful and overwhelming. This week, I'm sharing something special that I felt nudged to put out into the world this year, and it is called the Gift of Hope Coaching Experience. It's a 1-hour, heart-centered session that can help you or someone you love quiet self-doubt, finally release the overwhelm, and feel hopeful again. Sometimes the best gift isn't under the tree. It's the reminder that light still exists. Come on in and learn more about this very special offer. It's time to choose happy. Wherever you are, whatever time it is, you have a choice. Are you ready to break free from self-doubt and negative self-talk? I'm Marie, mindset mentor, life coach, and author of the Choose Happy Affirmations. Here, you'll find mindset shifts, affirmations, and simple tools to create a life that feels as good in the inside as it looks on the outside. Welcome to Choose Happy with Marie. Hello, how are you? Welcome back to Choose Happy with Marie. I am so glad you're here. The holidays, they're magical, right? Great magical part of the year. But they can also be heavy, full of obligations, comparisons, and the pressure to show up for everyone else. And lately, I've been noticing something in the world, in the news, in conversations with my friends and colleagues, and in the energy of the people that I coach. There is so much negativity, anxiety, a sense of not being in control of your own life anymore. And here's the thing. Many women are tolerating life as it is, unaware that a shift is possible. As I was writing my morning pages journal entry, something came to me. I was thinking about all of this negativity that I was seeing out there, and a nudge came to me to offer something special this holiday season, and it is called the Gift of Hope Coaching Experience. It's a 1-hour private session designed to give someone, or you, a chance to be fully heard, to release the mental clutter, and leave with a tangible next step anchored in an affirmation that supports exactly where they or you are today. Because hope isn't just something you give to others, it can also be something that you give to yourself. So why does hope matter? Hope is what lets us breathe again when we've been holding our breath for too long. It's not pretending that everything is fine. It's remembering that even when life feels heavy, there's still light ahead. And if you're feeling stretched thin, mentally cluttered, or emotionally drained this season, I want you to know you're not alone. That's exactly why hope matters. It gives us a moment of relief, a chance to reset, and the confidence to take a small, meaningful step forward. When I look around at the world, at my coaching clients, at the women in my life, I see so much heaviness. I see you feeling anxious, carrying uncertainty, and feeling stuck in your life thinking that you can't change it. And during the holidays, all of that tension tends to surface. The fatigue, the stress, the quiet worry that you're not doing enough, or that life is just happening to you, and you just need to get through the season. I felt nudged to create something tangible to counter that, a way to give hope that isn't another trinket or a gift card to buy yet something else the person doesn't need, but you have to give them something. What about if it was a real restorative experience? 1 hour with me gives someone a chance to be heard, to release some of that pressure in a safe environment, and to leave with a clear, actionable next step that they can take, anchored in an affirmation written just for them that fits exactly where they are today. Sometimes the most meaningful gifts, they're not found in the stores. You already know that. They're in the moments, the words, the presence that we offer to our loved ones. And lately, that human connection, this is something we are desperately needing. I see you giving hope to others. I see you when you check in with a friend or your family member or your daughter or your son that you haven't heard back for a while. I see you sharing gentle encouragement to help your daughter who may be going through a difficult day. Giving hope is something you naturally do as a mom or a dad, for the gentleman listening to the show. Giving hope outward to others is powerful. But what about if we gave it to ourselves as well? We give ourselves the moment of healing. That's why the Gift of Hope coaching experience works so beautifully. It's a small, intentional act that can create a meaningful ripple effect in that person's life. Recently, a coaching client told me that she looks forward to our sessions together because it gives her, quote, an hour where I don't have to be strong, unquote. When you're spending time with me, for those who have not spent time with me yet, you are entering a magical place. You feel finally heard. There is no pleasing. There is no guilt. There's only you and me and what you want for your happy life. I help you find your happy life again. That's exactly what the Gift of Hope can do. It's not a life overhaul, but one small, meaningful hour that reminds you or someone you love that hope, their happy life, can exist, and it is within their reach. If there's someone in your life who could use a little light this holiday season, consider giving the Gift of Hope coaching experience. And this is how it works. You purchase the session through the link in the show notes, and I will also send the link to Choose Happy members in this week's email. If you're not signed up for my email list yet, you can sign up on the website, and the website is called choosehappywithmarie.com. After processing payment, a beautiful printable Gift of Hope certificate in a PDF format will be emailed to you so that you can either email it or print it to give it to the recipient or keep it to yourself. There is a to and a from and a message area on the certificate, so you can write on it too. In January, I will follow up with you to ask for the recipient's contact information. All I need is their name and their email, and I'll arrange directly with them the 1 hour session. So the recipient schedules their private one-on-one with me anytime between January and March. A reminder that this Gift of Hope, it is not just for your friends and family members. It can be for you too. If you've been listening to the show and you've been thinking, I would really like to work with Marie, this is your opportunity to work with me for a full hour. So you are worthy of having 1 hour just for you and your happy life. And in case you need this, I'm giving you a permission slip to give yourself this gift. Claim your own space to breathe, to reset and reconnect with hope as we start the new year 2026. Because the most meaningful gift sometimes is the one that we give ourselves. Before we close, I do want to offer you a gentle affirmation that is aligned with the theme of hope, and it goes as follows. Hope is my steady light. I nurture it with rest, kindness, and belief in what's possible. And here's an inspiring quote to carry you through the season. Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all of the darkness. A quote from Desmond Tutu. Thank you for listening, for giving hope to your loved ones and to yourself, and especially to yourself. I can't wait for you or someone you love to experience this gift of hope this holiday season. A friendly reminder, this is a time-sensitive offer and it is in play right now and will end on December 22nd. And I will share all of these details to Choose Happy members in this week's email, and there is a link in the show notes for you to learn a little bit more about the Gift of Hope coaching experience. Wishing you a wonderful week, choosing happy. Cheers! Thanks for listening to Choose Happy with Marie. If today's episode spoke to you, I would love it if you could share it with a friend or leave a quick review for the show. It helps more women find this kind of support. Remember, you don't have to overhaul your life to start feeling better. You just have to choose happy right where you are, one choose happy choice at a time. I'll see you next time. Take care.